Yes, I think my aluminum reflectors I got from the Dollar Tree are working because they only come but so close so far. Let's see, I have, see if I can point it out. Fingers too fat. Okay. I have one there, one there. I have one hanging on this pot. And then I also have, it's sort of like a dog whistle that only the animals can hear. So I have a few of those in the yard. One is right there on the edge of the flower bed along the brick edge, and the other is right here. They're green, so they seem to be working because I have not seen them come into the flower bed, and they were eating and it could be that I don't have any leaves on the oak leaf hydrangea right now, but yes, they ate the leaves off of that during the summer. And what else did they eat over there? They don't bother the blue point, which is right there. They don't bother that. Or something else they ate. I can't think of what it was now. But so far, they ate my neighbor's apple tree. He had an apple tree planted right there where they are in that black ring. I don't know if you can see it. See the black ring? Right there. And the tree never bounced back. So I'm just watching to see how close they'll come. They must be eating nuts in the leaves. Usually they're eating the greenery is privet. It's like a natural, just a natural shrub that they like. And that's usually what they're eating on when they're not in the yard trying to find something. But I guess since there's plenty of that right now, they're okay. So I don't know what they're finding in the leaves. It must be some kind of nuts that fell off the tree. I know I have a sweet gum back there that drops the nuts. Well, it's not, well, I guess it is some form of nut. Their hearing is very good. Because if I just make a slight noise, they'll stop and stare.